Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. Apologies for the crinkling. I got this mold set from Dart Frog, I think, last Christmas. I never got the chance to try it. Oh, okay. But it is this gorgeous Trumpeting Angel set, and I think that you can, once demolded, you can put them back to back. I think, hopefully, that's what I'm hoping for. I'm going to go super simple on this one. The majority of her is going to be clear, except for the very tips of these crystals. I'm filming this the same day that I did Tuesday's video, so I've still got my Larissa glitter out. I'm going to do some silver holographic glitter and the tips of the crystals. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this one turns out. I'm hoping it'll look fabulous, but that also depends on how well my pouring skills are, I suppose. But yeah, super quick and easy one today. I'm really excited to see how this one turns out. I hope you guys are too. If you are, then let's go. All right, friends. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see how they look. First of all, the silver and the clear. Come on now. Come on now. It's so pretty. Okay. Oh my goodness. I did accidentally overfill the wing a bit, but that's okay. We can trim that. Oh. Oh, come on. Ah, she's beautiful. Oh, that's going to be... I let this sit for 2 days, and now it's super hard. That's going to be a big pain to try and take off. Oh, I did it to both, too. Oh, darn it. I didn't think that I had filled it up that much. Oh, my goodness. I mean, can you just... Ah, it's so beautiful. And the problem is, because I overfilled them, I'm going to have to drill out these holes again. But I wanted to see what it would look like if you were to put them back to back. Okay. Yeah, I think I prefer them separate. I think they're gorgeous. I'm going to find a place to put them on our tree. All right, friends. It's gorgeous. I love them so much. I think doing the little silver on the tips and then the clear in the middle was the best call ever. I wonder if where I set them over there to cure, I wonder if maybe it just wasn't as level as I thought it was. Because these are huge chunks of resin. Like, I'm almost afraid to try and get it out. Like, get it off, you know? I might try a little bit, but if it doesn't budge very easily, I'm just going to leave them like that. You know? But, man, those are pretty. All right, friends, that is today's gorgeous video. I mean, I'm stunned. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.